Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we are out here. The weather is really nice and I'm here with a fellow YouTuber, a friend and a sister, Vivian's TV. You know her now, the only Vivian with the gist.
So people, yes,
the number one Aproko one of Pamplona.
Hello everyone, we are here, we'll go nowhere.
So guys, we are here with Kendrick. So here is Kendrick. Look at him, I call him the Betmark Prince. So here is Kendrick. Guys, the weather is really nice. So we are out here, we are just sitting down, we are chilling. Actually, we are going to KFC because Vivian is the number one fan of KFC. So actually, we came here to sit down. Then by 1, we are going to KFC to eat. And let me see if I'll be able to add a little vlog there.
Yes,
okay, guys. So Vivian just came back from Nigeria. So she's glowing. You can see she's glowing. Look at her Nigeria hair.
We are still rocking our Nigeria hair.
Oh, Kendrick is crying. What's wrong? It's okay. It's okay. Maybe he doesn't like the sun, so we'll put him in the stroller now. So guys, I really missed you all. If you know you haven't watched my delivery vlog, please guys go check it out
this channel,
and subscribe to this channel, please guys. Don't forget that if you have any work for your occasion, you want to make your Nigeria okuku, your beaded hair, your nails, your makeup, so don't forget to contact us. We are ever ready to give you that amazing look on your big day.
We even do first day makeup when you want to go and meet
first day makeup
to meet your husband or your boyfriend. If you want to go and visit them, the first day just come and make up your face.
We do good luck makeup too. The one you will do and we give you good luck.
Yes.
We also
and
do
if the man is not ready to
available.
marry you, the man must marry you. Just come and do the makeup.
By force makeup. We also do by force makeup.
So thank you everyone. Thank you. We're just having fun at the park. The weather is really nice, as you can see, guys. Without makeup, look at us. This weather, nothing really like good. Guys, I love to vlog when there is sun, when the weather is nice. You see this lightning, this god lightning. It's better than those ring lights and every other
it's
thing.
true. The weather is really nice.
So see how bright it looks, okay?
Really bright.
Thank you everyone. We are still here having fun before we go eat KFC, guys.
So that is it, guys. We'll see you all later.
If you love Aproko, you love gist, you love reaction, you
can also subscribe to if you want to. You need latest news. You don't need CNN, so you just go to our channel, Vivian. So while you are watching the news, you can also go and spell on those food video, so that as you are watching the news, you will be using the recipe to cook your own food. Yes, so that is it, guys. We'll see you all later. Bye bye.
YouTuber, jam YouTubers.
Vlogging things. So guys, we are already on our way to KFC to eat our lunch. We are here already, as you can see. Guys, look at Vivian. She's carrying Kendrick. She doesn't want to drop him. Oh, she doesn't want to drop Kendrick. Kendrick is with big auntie. Look at your body, Vivian. Look at what Kendrick is doing. Kendrick, what are you doing? Look at your mouth.
See, when you jump to YouTubers, the best thing is vlogging.
It's talking. Guys, we are already here. Here is our food. So let me show you guys Vivi's. Hello. Look at Kendrick. Kendrick is smiling.
We don't even know.
So guys, we are going to be enjoying our food. You guys should come and join me, or come and join us.
She's vlogging. That is one thing about two YouTubers. When two YouTubers jam, hey, this one be talking, the other one wait.
Imagine. We are eating, we are vlogging.
In a house where we have 3 YouTubers, or some families that have 4, 3 YouTubers the same house. How do you guys cope?
This is really nice, guys.
Enjoy. See the thing they enter eye.
They enter your eye.
The thing they enter my eye.
They enter your eye.
I just can't wait to die for this burger and this chicken, guys.
So guys, we'll see you guys later.
I want to enjoy
Let
it.
me
So
enjoy
I want to
this
put
food.
the baby in stroller so that I enjoy this food.
Hey guys, so I'm still here eating, though Vivian is done eating.
Slow eater.
So I'm the slow eater. I have my
She
burger
can
here.
eat for
Now I
2
want to eat my
hours.
burger. Vivian,
She
guys,
can
look at what
eat
Vivian
for 2
did to
hours.
crunchy chicken. In fact, guys,
Guys,
look,
don't mind me. I'm a bad eater. Sorry,
it's not
guys.
good now. See, this is
Are
how
you
you
seeing
eat chicken. Let me show you guys what I did to mine.
If you follow my channel, I've always told you guys that I don't like chicken back. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't like
Guys,
chicken skin. Are you see what
Look
she
at what
did
I
to her
did to
chicken?
my chicken. I paid
The
for
chicken
it.
did
What are you
justice,
saying?
guys. Are you see?
But I paid for it. So
So I'm a
that
bad
is it.
eater, guys. I don't know why. Look at what I did.
We couldn't finish this, okay? So
We are tired, guys. Because we love
I want
KFC, we
to
not
eat
eat
my
down
burger.
top.
Ay God, I'm kind of tired though. So guys, how do you eat your chicken? Do you eat your chicken in Vivian's way? Or
I know a
you
lot
eat
of
your
people eat chicken like this.
in
Yes,
my
a
way?
lot of
Let me
people
show
also
you.
eat chicken like
This
this.
is Vivian's eating of chicken. Why this is Stacy eating of chicken?
Challenge.
This is the best, right?
Yes.
This is challenge. So
Guys,
let me
forgive
know how
me.
you eat your chicken in the comment
I know a
section.
lot of people eat chicken the same way with mine. Yes, a lot of
But
people.
it's so annoying.
It's so annoying. I know. It's not my fault. It's not that I'm doing shakara or whatsoever. I don't just like the back of chicken. That is me.
Yeah, but you can actually eat it in a more
Matured
sexy way.
So forgive me. So nobody is there. Just me and you and camera.
But the camera is going to tell the whole world how you eat your chicken.
Guys, don't mind
So
me.
guys, Kendrick is inside the stroller. He's sleeping.
Slow eater. Eat it and
Let me enjoy my food, guys. So thank you.
You didn't even call your people to join you.
So guys, I'm done eating finally. Let me show you guys the leftover. In fact, there is no leftover. So you can see what I did. I did justice to my chicken. What Vivian did, guys. Look.
It's not my fault.
It's not fair.
Hey.
So guys, here is Kendrick. Hello. Didi. Hey. So guys, that is it. I will see you all in my next video. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed, I'm begging you, please, go and subscribe, okay? All right, guys. I love you all. Bye-bye. Vivian, say bye-bye to my
Hey guys, see you in our next video. Subscribe, turn on your icon there, support our ministry. This is our ministry. Share to your family
and friends, your loved one, your ex-boyfriend,
your village people. Share to everybody.
Village people. All those ones they keep people channel. Village
So
people.
your loved ones.
All right,
Tell
guys.
a friend to
Bye-bye.
tell a friend
Love
to
you all.
tell a friend.